Photoshop, whether you like it or not, has become an integral part of our modern life. It is the leading photo editing software with hundreds of functions and applications. It is used for personal and professional purposes. It is critical to understand that Photoshop has several complexities that must be understood to achieve desired results. Therefore, there is a lot to learn for beginners as well as an experienced user to master the art of Photoshop. If you want to become an expert in Photoshop, it takes time, patience, and practice. There is no shortcut to it. If you are serious about becoming a master in Photoshop, there are few things that you can try. Own the latest version of Photoshop. If you don't have your own copy of Photoshop at your home, then it is pretty hard for you to experiment with Photoshop. Because having a latest version is very important. It makes your job easier as well as it has all the features that prior versions don't have. Learning from your mistakes. As it is said, mistakes makes you perfect. And without making any mistake, you can't get any expertise. So, keep experimenting and playing with your mistake by exploring different filters, features, layers, adjustments in your own way. Take a class. Technology is progressing in a great way, and all you have to do is to find a person or an expert that can guide you. Don't hesitate to take any class. It could be online or offline. Learning from any expert is always beneficial in any field. Attend seminars. There are many companies that conduct seminars on specific terms. Just find out where you can attend Photoshop related seminars. These seminars will help you in boosting your professional proficiency and efficiency. So attend them to learn, enjoy, and building relationships. Subscribe. Wait. I'm not going to say that subscribe to my channel. But if you want to, you can. The link is in description box. Coming to the point. There are many ways to stay updated with the market. One of which is to subscribe various Photoshop related magazines like Photoshop Users, Photoshop Essentials, Photoshop Creativity, and many others that you can subscribe and stay updated. Online tutorials. It is a great way of learning for beginners and experts as well. Because these tutorials from the different designers help to do a simple thing in different way. This way you learn different techniques. Be a part of community. It is very important to share your knowledge and learn new skills while joining different communities that you can join through Twitter, Facebook, or any social media platform. There are debates, question answers, and even casual chats related to different designs and techniques. Blogging. You can use blogs to share your experience and find solution to your problem by reading blogs of different users. freelancing. After getting your skill, it is time to the real practice. Don't forget to work as a freelancer. There are different sites where you can create your profile and start working there. It is a great practice because this way you learn and earn at the same time. It will help you to improve your professional skills. There are the different platforms where you can learn Photoshop, like Photoshop Essentials, Photoshop Tutorials, Udemy, PHLearn, Allison, and Technosoft. In nutshell, if you want to be an expert in Photoshop, you have to learn inside and outside, exploring all the advanced techniques in Photoshop. It requires your dedication and